Unboxing the Coravin Model 11 Wine Preservation System. The first thing you'll see when you open the box is the user manual with detailed instructions. Please read it carefully. Right under the user manual, you'll find the Quick Start Guide. On the side, you'll find a small coral-colored box with a diagram of a Coravin Pure Argon capsule. Pull the gray tab to remove it and slide open to access the 6 capsules that come with your Model 11 wine preservation system. You will also find a larger black box that you can remove by pulling the other gray tab. Pull it straight up and take the black box out of the outside box. Slide the coral band off as shown and open the top lid of the box. Inside you'll find an elegant carry case. Remove it from the box. Open the zipper to reveal the Model 11 system. Remove and discard any silica gel packets. Remove the Coravin system from the plastic bag and discard the bag. Remove and discard all of the foam spacers. You'll find a USB cord for charging on the side of the case secured with an elastic band. Remove it from the bag and discard the bag. The carry case includes a second elastic band on the side to carry up to 2 Coravin Pure capsules. Return to the original box. To access the inside panel and the rest of the accessories, remove the spacer and discard. Then pull up the gray tab. Behind the inside panel, you will find the needle clearing tool, a wine bottle sleeve, a cleaning cloth, a needle clearing brush, a box of 6 standard-size screw caps, a Coravin aerator, and a die-cast brushed metal display base. Now you can enjoy any wine in any amount without removing the cork with the world's first connected and fully automatic wine preservation system. Coravin Model 11. Coravin. Savor the glass, preserve the bottle.